Guys, Seedance 2.5 is finally available and you can start creating cinematic AI videos with it right now using this new AI tool I just found. I mean, before everyone else, imagine turning a simple story into a realistic video. And the best part about this whole thing is Seedance 2.5 actually can generate your videos in 30 seconds. And that is why everybody is talking about it right now, guys. Now, you know how tedious it can be generating 4 seconds, 10 seconds on every scene. I mean, it's tiring, right? But this one offers you 30 seconds per generation, and that gives creators more room for storytelling, good dialogues, good actions, in fact connecting all the scenes together without having to generate everything multiple times and different platforms. Do you understand? So this is the good part, and this is the reason why it's blowing up right now. I'm going to show you how to use it on this new platform called XMK. I just came across this platform and I'll be showing you how to use it to generate videos. But first of all, watch exactly what I generated using this 30 seconds feature on Seedance 2.5 on this new app. Watch it, guys.
Come with me as I get ready for my airport trip. I'm keeping the look simple, comfortable, and travel ready because nobody wants to struggle with an outfit at the airport.
For 10 years, Mama, I thought you never supported my dreams.
I sold my land so you could finish school.
You gave up everything and never told me?
A mother's love does not always speak loudly.
Guys, without wasting much time, let's dive right into this tutorial. But if it's your first time here, do well to like and subscribe, and of course drop me a wonderful comment and don't forget to share.
So guys, this is the platform right here. Okay, when you use the link in my description, it will bring you right to this interface. Now when you get here, make sure you register using your Google account. Okay, as you can see, I'm signed in already, and of course I'll just head over to generating the videos. Now look at it, it says Seedance 2.5 just landed. Longer 4K clips with richer multimedia references. Okay, this part that says try Seedance 2.5, I'll just go on and click on it. Okay, then to bring me straight to this interface, and as you can see, this platform offers different models of Seedance AI. We are going to be focusing on this Seedance 2.5 because it's the new feature that gives us the 30 seconds video generation. Let's head over. Let me show you how I generated that video you just watched. Okay, actually do reference generation or text to video. Now for the reference generation, it means you can upload your own video. I'm going to show you how to use the two workflow. I'll just head over to this plus icon and upload my video and upload my picture. Okay, so the next thing I'll go on to do is to paste my prompt. Now that my picture is uploaded already, as you can see, right, I just click on this prompt and I already copied my prompt. I'll go on and paste it right here. I'll just scroll down and leave the model as Seedance 2.5. The aspect ratio 16:9, the resolution 480 pixels. I think we have to change that. Okay, I have pro access to this platform, so I'll just change it to get good quality and results. Okay, I'll leave it in 720 pixel, guys. In this duration, I'll extend it to 30 seconds. Let's try out this feature. Okay, and then when I'm done, I'll just go ahead and click on generate and it start generating for me. The video is generating, as you can see already. If you just scroll down, you will see it right there. It's generating. It doesn't take long. So yeah, our video is ready. Let's play it and see. Okay, guys, take a look at this. My video is ready. Wow.
Come with me as I get ready for my airport trip. I'm keeping the look simple, comfortable, and travel ready because nobody wants to struggle with an outfit at the airport.
Wow, look at my butt, guys. This is beautiful. Can you see? Can you see? So yeah, the video is ready. I'll just go on and download it using this download icon. Okay, so yeah, my video is downloaded already, guys. As you can see, this is super beautiful. I mean, don't you just love this? Now look at the face and the image I provided. It's exactly the same thing. It didn't even change it. Okay, now I promise to show you the other option of generating your video. Let's quickly run through that before we end this tutorial. Okay, now we have used the reference generation. Let's use the text to video option. Okay, this is still here. You can even refresh. Okay, let's refresh our browser so that they don't collide. Okay, I've refreshed my browser. Let's see if it's still there. So yeah, For this, we're using text to video, as you can see right here. Now I'll just head over to my notes and copy my prompts for this. Okay, I'm going to be using a separate prompt for this. Just paste it over here where it says prompt. I'll scroll down to check up my settings, to check on my settings again. Now the model is Seedance 2.5, just like it was before. The aspect ratio is still intact, 480, 16 by 9. Then the resolution is 480 pixels. I think we should try this since we already did 720 for the other one, right? Now instead of 30 seconds, let's leave it at 15 seconds. Let's do 15 seconds and see what this generates for us. So the credits to be used is about 340 credits. So it's not even that expensive. If you are using the normal 4 seconds, let me move it back. So if you're using the normal 4 seconds, it's about 80 credits. Are you seeing it? So let me increase it to about 15 seconds. And then of course I'll go on and click on generate and we'll wait for it to load again. So this is basically how to use this platform. Very fast, and the interface is easy to understand even if you're a beginner, guys. So if you'd like to try out this platform, the link is in the description and also in the pinned comment of this video. Do well to check it out, okay? My video is generating already, guys. If you are yet to subscribe, please go on and subscribe. Please go on and subscribe because I drop AI tools, YouTube growth tips to help creators create content, stay safe on YouTube, and of course get monetized. So do well to join the family and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I drop videos like this, you'll be the first people to know and start using it, okay?
10 years, Mama, I thought you never supported my dreams.
I sold my land so you could finish school.
You gave up everything and never told me?
A mother's love does not always speak loudly.
Guys, take a look at this. This is beautiful. This is really beautiful, okay? Now let's play it on full screen. The video is ready so you can see the beauty work this platform gave us, okay?
And never told me?
A mother's love does not always speak loudly.
Beautiful. So yes, you can just go on and download it using these 3 dotted lines and click on download and it will be saved to your phone gallery. It's as simple as this, guys. File downloaded, okay? So I'll just go back. So this is basically how to use this platform, okay? I'll just go back and either I continue generating or that's it. So let me know if you have enjoyed this tutorial, and if you're going to try this out, you already know what to do. And if you have watched to this point, thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video, okay? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.
Guys, you've seen it, okay? If you need the link to this platform, check the description of my video and also my pinned comment, okay? It will be available, and if you have any questions, I'll be available for you to ask as well. Just drop it in the comment and that's it, okay? Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
For 10 years, Mama, I thought you never supported my dreams.
I sold my land so you could finish school.
You gave up everything and never told me?
A mother's love does not always speak loudly.
Come with me as I get ready for my airport trip. I'm keeping the look simple, comfortable, and travel ready because nobody wants to struggle with an outfit at the airport.